Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get to look at everything Jamaican. I am Likkle, and with me is my husband Marcel, and we are on the road this morning. We just entered the outside
morning
road.
Guys, morning.
Yes, just entered the outside road. We came around here after the hurricane, and we had to turn back because the road was damaged badly. There was a breakaway, but somehow persons have been traveling here, and they said that they managed to get into Christiana from here. So we are going to check it out this morning and to see where it takes us.
Yeah, see where it takes me?
Yeah, because I know, alright, remember there's a breakaway here on the outside road, and there's also a breakaway that was, it's still around by, is that Larma's way, Martha?
They cut out the road around this so we can drive.
Yeah, so I was just saying, we had two breakaways, so we're hindered if we were to travel through all sides to go to Tham Town to go around by maybe Larma's that way to get to Christiana. But there, since then, they have another road that persons have been using. So we're heading into Christiana, so we are driving this route.
So this road would take you to the community center.
Yeah, you see that farm? All the yam stick down and lean.
So let me show you that's the church. Warsop New Testament Church. So the roof gone. Oh, see the sign leaning up down there, so. So this is Warsop all sides Warsop. Yeah. So this road takes you right back to wire fence.
Okay, this is Park in a Court Ministries Zion Church.
Good morning.
Hi, morning.
How you doing? Yeah, you're trying to knock me.
You know, because the fees in the fees in
Okay. Me take it already.
Yes.
We say we can't go through now. We are go wire fence. You can't go rest of it? Yeah. So I'm saying, me see vehicle come that way there.
Yes, but come. So we go. Yes, we talk.
Yes.
double one.
Yeah, but me said then cut out one part of the vehicle can go through.
Okay,
One D two.
Yeah.
All of our way in house, they in front of Jenkins, they so they come.
No, but because we see a lot of them used to pass our way, wanna see them again.
Yeah.
We wanna manage now. Because we know say everything gone. Your house blow down too? You
No
don't have
water?
Me water was on my tank. Me have 1 liter water.
Yeah. Oh God.
Oh no.
Let me tell you what happened here. Me cut off me yard. Me cover it up. One black one.
Yes.
Because it's full of water. I'm telling you water. Storm water in it.
Yeah.
So me drink water. This when me come back after. What's going on? The side turn on.
Oh.
No water.
Somebody turn it on?
Yes. Yeah, Papa. But to me, no Papa.
Oh, you did somebody turn on yours.
So how do you manage with food and so?
Yeah.
But how long that can last so?
Nobody no come with supplies yet. Oh. Yeah. Oh, so you never get any.
Yesterday and we round the road and we are trapped. Then we said we want back.
Yeah. So when if we should have come back, where we find on in the same area here?
This part is say stop over the house or so?
Yeah, this house is here.
Oh, so you stop with us?
But over the me house behind the big one. On the road, but over here.
Oh, okay. Alright.
But we come back.
We come back and we know to find you guys.
You know say you will see me.
But you know you
will see me. That's
alright.
Everything Jamaican.
Yes.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, we just realized.
Yeah. It's a good thing you realize.
Look here, your face not up on camera now, but we are record.
Yes.
Then go look me.
She called me, you know, she called me.
You're back everything.
Oh.
She called me, auntie.
Huh?
You know, the Lorraine, she called me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah? One to her.
She don't want me here. And she said she's in this church.
Oh, the church.
Church.
Yeah.
Where the lady did the Miss Parchment.
Yes, she told me yesterday.
Oh, okay.
They put her in the back of it.
Oh.
Because our father, people, but no one to also. But he stopped gone.
Oh, no.
So in the church.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for letting us know because we never know, you know.
We never know if we find her.
Where to
We saw
find
her
her.
once.
Yeah, in the church.
Yeah.
In the church.
Okay, now that we know.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey man, give me house. Then come video just down put it back every TV. And that just start to read. Can really want to say see me house.
Oh, okay. Alright.
We'll check back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yes, God bless.
Palm blood on God.
Yeah, after they rub blood.
Oh my God. And then they just not even start beer.
Look down there, sir. No, no, no.
Yeah, everybody grown gone.
Look over there, sir.
Yes.
Oh no.
So we are going. We talk.
Yes,
Alright,
take care.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh my God. Morning.
Big boss. Alright. really care. People really drive that, sir?
Oh my God.
So one whole lane right there, sir. I mean, I think this car heavier than the other vehicle then we pass here, sir.
Well, I will do make case get off.
Remember the night? Yes, so we come the other night and turn back.
We came, guys, and we turned back.
And see, man.
What? See, I know the next spot. Okay. Okay, so we came there to that where the road is damaged. We came there one night and it really did look worse than that. I don't know if it was.
No.
When we came the night?
It never did so bad.
Oh, but we go over now and never.
But you know, can't remember say they don't do nothing to it, so that get worse.
Yeah, we never want to risk it though. But I guess people are going. Somebody takes it and see that they might go over, so I guess everybody just go over after that.
Look like they walk. Test it.
Yes. The landslide up there, that's
everything washed away.
The ground, there's a big landslide into the farm.
Yeah, the light was right across the road. You know, so no big unit can't pass here, so.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they can pass here, it's squeaky.
But how big it is? This must be where the mudslide was.
Right here, so you know? Jesus, he come all the way up there.
Here. Oh, okay.
Guys, this is a mudslide. This is a landslide. So it's gone all the way down to the gully, and it come from all the way up there. So all the people in farm blow down. And then we have water running right there. Water running. So it seems as if we have a spring on the top side. Bad, you know?
Yeah.
Body really couldn't pass through this. See water run? Why you're saying some of that slide? Skid?
Muddy. Yeah, so.
Oh. I think I just saw so.
The whole place. That's it.
So maybe they use a tractor to clear it so it push go all the way down this one?
Yeah. So I was saying going down is not too bad, but if you were to come up, you would probably slide.
Yes, so. Yes.
Okay. This can prove very hazardous. This can, you know, to take your time and go through. See all the farm here, so landslide.
And I clear this one?
Yeah. Oh no, this is bad.
It's a real mudslide.
That's why when we were there the night.
Good morning.
We saw people coming over like mud right up to them knees.
Yes.
Yeah, them arms full of mud because they were walking through
God, them are trying to fix up their farm. Oh,
Terrible, man. It's just terrible. You can see the farm in my head. And see what they them just lay down.
yeah.
Like post a lay down, nothing. You can sleep with much like that.
Yeah. I tell you. So we are in Carterwood. This is Carterwood. I don't want to road they would have got the night.
Okay, if we were able to pass.
Yeah.
Okay.
The people are knock nail, hammer and nail. Mash up the deer so you can. Yes, we can drive a little bit faster now. We not drive fast, but we are drive a little bit fast.
Sure.
No, we not drive faster, we are drive a little bit fast, not faster. Not so.
Yeah.
Not faster, fast. Oh,
We are happy that we got to go through that road a while ago, but I don't think we'll drive back on it.
yeah, we don't drive back.
But if you get a chance to go across and pass and see that, why would you risk it to go back?
Then if you road runs so back, if suppose Craig and them place a block off, where you drive?
Well, I don't know.
Go Alberton and come up. Good morning. Yeah, how are you? Alright,
Okay.
nice.
That mud come from Jerusalem, where they so to us to here.
I try to pick up the I have to just straighten the stick them out, weed out here and choose sunlighter.
And just watch and see what happens.
Yeah. But you have some people the amount where they have it hard to start pick up. So guys, we left Carterwood. I guess we are we're heading to Town now. Town in Trelawney. Town, this is a shop shake up.
Oh no.
It's a fly shop, you know, and they put the flashes with, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, the barber.
Yeah, the barber, check me, set up back, you know.
Yeah, set up.
Please brush out me.
Yeah.
So I start over, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. My barber shop needed, you know.
So what is your name?
Tham Town.
Yeah,
Tham Town, you know.
Oh. So how the hurricane affect you? take down the whole roof. The whole building.
It take down the whole building complete. Cheap upon it and, you know. Oh. Power saw and cut it off.
Yeah.
It's this tree right here, so.
Yeah.
What kind of tree that? Guinea tree.
But I'm on guinea, it not beer.
Oh, so that should have cut down long time. Where did you use your shade?
But you know my own, you know?
Yeah. Oh. A few people own the houses, so.
Yeah, for neighbor, so.
But no neighbor never live there, man.
I feel them place here, so.
Yeah.
I want to go
and destroy them things.
Destroy them, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. So you alone trying to rebuild your shop, you know?
Yeah, me have 2 tradesmen friends. So them say, they want to help me, but they need money. So we don't pay them, but them are donkey have to come.
Yeah.
And I told them, say, for me in my teen when that house a build.
Yes.
The contractor teach me shade.
Yes.
On the roof, you know.
Yeah.
I told them so me can do it, you know.
Yes.
So I take my time and do it. Yeah.
So what kind of plan you really have for this building now?
Well, I have a great plan for you.
Can we see you have blocks up here?
Black.
Yeah.
But I don't have the amount of money yet, so I have a space. So hopefully soon I'm going to block it up, you know.
Yes.
And more business on it, you know.
Yeah.
So the plan is just to fix up a thing to start back your operation.
I'm planning to fix up a thing.
Yeah.
To get on with the business.
Yes.
Still, you know.
Yes.
That people can rely upon me. Still, you know?
Right, and then you take your time and build
Yeah,
the
take time and build. Cause you know, go build here.
Yeah.
Build behind, you know.
Yeah.
So in terms of operation and we don't have electricity, how would you carry out your duty now?
I have cardless here, 5.
Oh, so you charge them up?
So I charge by neighbor, any neighbor.
Oh.
The Delco.
Yes.
Even last night, I charged 2.
Okay.
So if a man come, the tool right here, they have stool there.
Oh, you still can trim him under the tree.
You put them funny anywhere, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, somebody want to trim now then?
You can get it.
Yeah man, get your share and come man.
Yeah, man.
Right now?
Right here.
Yes.
Here. Yeah, man.
So you ready?
You know, sir, all the way man, the field where I go, but you have to trim. You can't pass the barber and don't get a haircut. Is that what I say?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Get it, man, you know.
Guys,
I know the shop march down.
may I get a haircut after the hurricane?
Yeah.
The barber don't have no electricity, but he have a machine when charge up and things.
Morning,
So
bro.
he can work.
I mean, I want to do some work, you know. And I take my time out. I need some more board. But 8 more pieces of board to complete.
You will take your time and go on.
So I take my time and go on, Mr. Brown.
You will take your time and go on.
Yeah.
I first will come again.
Yes, me know, sir. Me thank God to see you, car. Yeah, you know. Take it easy, man. You're going to come out, you have to give it a break. Yeah.
The back tire flat over there, so boss?
Yes, man, alright.
Yeah.
Alright,
alright, take care. Oi! Are you too big up on man? Video? Yeah. You want your house? No, a barber thing on my youth, you know, the barber star already. So you have to on YouTube, you know. Come to youth. I'm a better America see this guy, you want to see it, you know.
Yeah, Star Barber, you know.
Star Barber.
Yeah.
Go watch the Star Barber at work, you know.
Yeah, so we get a trim at the roadside.
Yep.
My barber thing blow down, but he no stop. He might fix up in building and he might work same way. I do him like a hustling. That's what I say?
Never stop, bro.
Yeah, never stop. See, him have everything packed up there, so ready to cut the hair. You want to jump off, you know?
Where you cut it?
No jump off, ball fade.
See that, everything in one?
No, cut off. Clean around the sun. Cut on your top.
Oh. Where are you, man?
No, I never carry on come here. So mirror there, you know, let me see what me look like when I get it cut.
What is it about me?
Oh, mirror broke up, alright. We take what we get.
When we finish.
Yeah.
And the work has started.
Yeah.
That's what you know.
Wait, don't get nervous, man. I just me at him.
Them let me pack up so you can, you know?
So what is your name, Barber?
My name? My name is Hilly. That is my nickname, but my name is Michael.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Michael White.
Michael White.
Yeah.
So how long you been doing barbering?
30 years.
Oh, wow. So you were always here at this spot, or you...
No, I used to work in Christiana. In 94. Yeah, I'm up here. I have a brother down there, but he died.
Oh, okay.
So, I have a shop by Warsaw, I do 13 years there. And now I have a chain. 3. One live America now and 2 live in England.
Yeah.
And chain next one and leaving at the shop.
Yes. Okay. So not only are you doing the job, but you also bring some people into the trade so them can have a skill.
But nobody about here don't want this trade, you know.
Yeah, not anymore.
So my son take it, so he live in Portmore. You know?
Yeah. Okay.
You want to touch him, Tom?
May I have to see how yours look first?
Can you stand up in a line so you must have wait to get touch him?
You have to see how yours look first.
I like long hair woman, you know.
You love long hair woman? Okay. No, so let me not get no trim at all.
What's all about?
You know, like a long hair man. You know, like long hair man, that's why I trim man.
Yes.
Like to look man cut hair often, you know?
Yes.
Like everybody see me about cut hair often, you know. You know, say, you have a client, you know?
Yeah. Build a client case.
Yeah. I always say I do it, you know, we shop from up back here.
By next week.
By next week,
Yeah.
Material I hold me and now still, but the material will come in.
Hey,
You know,
morning.
the black up and thing.
Yeah.
Michael, it's good though, cause even though hurricane come and mash down this structure, you not stop work.
No, me not
You
stop work.
come to work, fixing up the shop, but you're prepared
But
to...
yeah, me do farming too, you know.
You do farming?
Yeah.
So how you farm?
Cabbage, sweet pepper, okra, etc. Everything knows. So the 31st, I plant 1,000 cabbage me alone. Yeah. So I buy the fuck and put it down. And put it in our empty room. And the room mash up and the fuck don't mash up.
Oh, God be praised. Yes.
Yeah. I'm blessed, man. You know?
Yeah, man, blessed and highly favored. Marcel, now make no noise when you hear that trim kind of one.
Yeah, man.
Talk and then you get to...
Talk very much, you know? and every barber can talk and trim. But me can do all 3 different things one time.
Yes,
Multi-talk, you know?
that's good.
Yeah. Your phone,
Your phone a work?
it run out of charge, because I can't find a charger.
Oh.
So mash up,
And my phone run out of charge. I charge and run gone.
I just run down, and I go to the phone, you know?
Yes.
My brother want to talk to me. It was a friend from international trade company.
Oh, say
You
it.
talked to him since hurricane?
Yes, the day before yesterday.
Okay.
They put down 1 day service. I talked to him on the phone dead after the service finished. You know?
So you battery go with the service?
Yeah.
Service gone, battery gone,
Barbershop and thing, you know?
charger gone.
So you will see it now, man. You will see the video.
So he says from, you know, in Los Angeles Park, So before last time you passed earlier on, you tell me say you see some on YouTube, but not see me.
Oh.
So when last time you passed this, I see you and knock.
Yeah.
I know last time you good, you know.
Yes.
Back in the early 2000s,
Yeah.
I remember go out on video. All the big stage show them.
Yes.
To be tall, when I the light, you know.
Oh, yeah.
The crowd, you can see all of the crowd, you know.
Yeah.
So you used to be the light man.
Yeah, video man. Yeah, light man, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We go Clarendon, all about.
Yeah. I get that trim.
Pinch if you want.
Yeah.
And if you
And
mouth
shape up your moustache. Make me look good, you know? Me I take off some of my top most of it.
No. Most of the top.
Yeah. No love enough here. You don't need no engagement. Yeah?
Taxi man, if you go and trim no Europe back, I weekend in Europe back. You're going to see me know what trim now, they say, the barber still up, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm a client then.
Yeah.
So guys, the barber when him Illy run
Taxi man, I got it that.
top Tham Town in my work.
Up and running.
Yeah, up and running.
And if I wash up a bill back new.
Yeah. So if you anywhere in a Warsaw area, between Warsaw wire fence and them place.
I wash my face on my face here, because I trim myself, you know.
Yeah.
I mean cut my hair, you know.
So
Yeah.
if you cut our hair now.
No, I'm going to cut my hair. So I'm ready. I don't feel comfortable with it now, because I don't hear that, you know.
Yeah.
And not kill me, you know. So I can cut myself, I not pay.
You cut it anytime.
Anytime I'm ready now, I cut it.
Yeah.
Like I go to Christian on Monday now. I just cut it Sunday. When the man I wake and go fresh, I'm going to Christian.
And you look fresh when you go to Christiana.
Yeah, I look fresh. I'm going to meet my friend them, meet my barber friend them and thing up there. Yeah.
Oh, you link up with Barber up at Christiana? Same way?
I'm on the video. Yeah. The famous, you know. They want to go.
Yes.
The trim people, Alberton, Stettin, Waiter Beach, Warsaw.
Everybody know the Barber Illy.
Right on, you know. Yeah. So, when I come here to look shop and know more, the head inspector, Mr. Wright. Because they have my permit all along.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, so Mr. Wright, come here.
Like our windshield gone.
I start moving.
The tree now offer much shade again because no leaves. Just the branches. The tree.
Oh yeah.
Just hide back a chunk, you're good.
And yeah, in December, that's a cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. What, this community?
Yeah, right here, sir.
Oh, right here.
The tree.
Oh.
Like the big and bush up, you know, and come over to the shop, like.
Yeah.
So that's more than that, you never make up and cut it down. So when me I cut it up now, you never can cut down the line. So I know all the money cut down the line, because I need it. I never cut it down, you know.
So them do for them part now?
No, they don't know. I mean, cut it off a drop on my shop. But they want me cut up everything.
Oh.
And my tree.
Yeah.
As the earth shop there. I mean, I tell you, to cut it down a long time.
So you think it all spring back?
Yeah, you know, spring back some part, but no cut off anything about my part, you know. Before it spring back. You can't spring over film side, you know.
So it go through, this is your road, this is go down your house?
Yeah. I line the right here, you know.
Oh, but once you hang over your part, I guess you can cut it?
Yeah, yeah.
Cut the part you hang over your part. Because that thing I said going on, if a man having fruit tree in a fee property and hang over your side, anything hang over your side, I don't want. Oh, that you do, you know, yeah, smile. So apart from you, all the other people, what kind of damage them have up here in terms of the hurricane?
All of the ground then.
Everything flat.
Flat.
Yeah?
Like when we just plant, we just have up and tick. That have a chance. Like the April and the March mash up.
Because the one that when I make head yet.
No, you want to just plant and I go up and tick.
Then they alright.
Yes.
But the one that would have just start beer then dead.
Yes.
Ah. I don't know.
So for the farmer who plant some banana from here, because the land slide gone.
You can always see one big landslide up there, so.
Man lose almost $1 million worth of damage. Yam gone.
Yeah.
We're right. 2,000 bank of yam gone for one youth.
Wash away.
Wash we gone.
So now yam now, one thing yam wash out too. Every salt gone with everything.
This side just slide.
Oh.
Mama, it's time for me landslide.
Yeah. And up in them area, we have mostly landslide at them places, don't?
Yeah. And less flood.
Yeah. Because run this way, the mud the day in the road, I see water run across the road same way. They have a spring up at the top.
Which part?
Up there, so. Down the road, where I come from.
Yeah.
So the road the black way, mud the day in the road crossway.
Land, a water land, you know.
Oh.
So anyway, see there's a slide, a water head, you know.
Yeah.
They slide and run from Black Road now. So you have to have a wall there, so.
And then you have a drain for the water.
Drain, you know. So there's a need to fix properly, you know, no rush.
Yeah.
So for me I go school, you know, let's have water, you know.
Yeah.
Water school me go.
Wash up school go?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I like work myself, you know, for me a teenager.
Then the best thing that man.
Grade 3, my old man was looking for money, run money. Then in grade 3, he's looking at me bigger brother, my own.
Yeah?
But he told me can spend money for the time, you know. So me tell that I say more on my own.
Yes.
He told me save out of my extra change at daytime.
Yeah.
So from this, my old man show me all my money then. You know?
Oh, you sure?
Any business, you know.
Are you?
And me, honest, and you know,
yeah.
I can check. And I know if I do business. But when I look a boy, I do business man, self-employed, you know. I don't work with nobody.
Yeah.
But self-employed. So if I do so, this morning I feel broke. I just come up and turn up when people see me, I'm at the barber.
Yeah. Gotcha.
No, before I take out the share, I touch him myself.
Yes. You have your style, man. You have your style.
And more while, me carry now, thing and go up the road.
Yeah.
I look for some people I didn't see it here, yo. But you hear one cut, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, sir, man.
I'm chin him on the wall, same place.
Yeah.
I have my towel, me this, that.
Everything you walk with, don't?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can't go
You're very strategic.
Everything up in our area.
Barber.
Oi.
Can I watch you Likkle more, sir?
Yeah, man, you see me on YouTube live here. I don't want to come out, your phone not dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You bury it. You have to dig up your back.
You bury it. When I can't go live.
That's the only thing where they don't people not care if you bury it.
And I'm very I got it on YouTube on the light too much here.
Yeah, man, no,
I
man.
watch it here.
You think you gotta see yourself? You think you gotta see yourself? You see yourself now?
Yes, man.
Hey, come for the man, you know. You don't want to go on YouTube to my neighbor. How you move so?
Original Barber, listen, man. What Barber was this, I know. Yes, man.
So you're going to get a trim too?
No, you know, sir. Not really a trip today.
Okay.
You trim already?
When I trim yesterday?
But after your barber is only want to trim now, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Barber, yeah.
You're supposed to trim like 2 times a week.
Like when they're so close.
I know you're not
Yeah,
too far
Indian.
in here pretty.
No, not really Indian still, but you show me a farmer bushman, I know.
Yes.
Sometimes I know we not trim early, you know?
Yeah.
We not trim too early.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah, bushman, you have to protect the bush.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Eh?
Bam, bam, a chop over there for in work.
Yes, man.
So when you go to bush, go doing like how it's storm just blow.
Oh, we got chop off all the tree after the yam. We chop them for the
I'm
yam,
not talking,
man.
I'm in here, man. I'm not
Chop
talking.
off the tree them after the yam,
If I
man.
oh, me had a neighbor, in her husband, she away, me and him. After this time, I bush with it. We had the people on the road. I chat, boy, we are going so far. No, we have plants over now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to see ackee tree, orange tree, grapefruit tree, coconut tree, and the pop them none. I ain't no plant none.
Yeah.
So I want to yourself now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I plant before, so
It's
that.
not, it's not plant before.
Like me now, me plant about 8 coconut tree before you stand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I catch
Well,
pretty
my
car.
God,
And you see, we have about 5 on the back and 5 of them blood.
Oh.
That's a good thing we have space.
Yeah.
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 Yes, we space in back.
Mhm.
Yeah, man. Pretty, you know, see, I come here now.
Yeah. So the hurricane no trouble him because them short.
Yes, man. Yeah,
Mhm.
yes, yes.
Nice.
That's the barber, so you have to put him before he stand. Eh?
Yes.
So then the old one, they know, so the young one will come now.
Mhm.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I have a son in Portmore, a barber.
Yeah.
My 30 year old December come.
Send the people in my barber shop, man.
Huh?
Send the people in my barber shop.
I said, you know, wait for me, when them face bush up. Some straight and a 15 years, where them can go years, right?
No, may I say if you send the people them at your son barber shop at Portmore.
My people, them,
The people we are watch right now in our Portmore area.
oh. Okay, nice.
So tell them away barber shop.
Tham Town, Chirani.
No, no, this one. Which part in Portmore is your son's?
Newland.
Newland. Oh, okay, okay. So my barber shop name?
You know, I don't remember.
I remember.
Hillary.
Oh, okay. Oh. So they can just find Hillary barber shop.
Yeah, in Portmore.
Yeah, man, and support him.
Yeah.
His father is Star Barber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's your barber. When the barber done, you're supposed to can trim me, you know.
True.
Because you wasn't good.
Yeah, school you there. Make sure you learn.
Make sure you learn.
I'm not pay for trim after today, yeah?
That's you can cut your boyfriend here.
What we can do?
Cut your boyfriend here.
Me and a boyfriend, my husband.
Your husband?
I'm my wife. Keep boyfriend and girlfriend business, man.
I'm here for work, I know.
We are work together, yes.
Different than your wife.
I'm a wife. I told we got I see in bed this morning.
I make breakfast.
No, you know, so when I make no breakfast from morning, you have none up here?
Need to me already, 5 plant and 1 cup of coffee.
Oh.
Yeah. Finish long time, man. Come if you want to breakfast early, stand out from work, you know? From the shop. Yeah. I think I must have me doing it. No.
Good one. I love when Likkle. Oh, Likkle.
Machine a cheap current night. Yeah, they got from my neighbor last night, got charged. I'm not going to come late. I said, no, man. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
You see me, I'm give my money. You know, you're not carry.
Yeah.
I tell them I drive.
Right now, I have to go look for him if I come and you never get it.
I want spirit to get up now.
Yeah.
It's the part first. Before I go first. But anyway, you got to take up me, I'm going to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that?
You say Jim finished though.
Yeah, man, that's how we see.
But I have a problem. But if you spray buckle, you can't find it from the Jim or man.
Yes, you have the alcohol though.
If you spray the alcohol on you.
You have alcohol?
No, everything in the buckle, I can't find it. That's the problem.
Oh.
So I go buy a next buckle. The barber shop name Everyting Barber Salon.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a new name I make, you know.
You just make it?
Yeah, we just make it Everyting. You know.
Okay.
So, sorry about that. Still, so when you go, you can get local alcohol and wait it, but you're good still, you know, because it's still them sterilized, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to go buy one spray bottle?
Yeah, I may forget a spray buckle. But to me, on this now,
Yeah.
but
So which part they sell spray bottle?
maybe out of where I feel the Alberto.
John was so far I forget one buckle, daddy.
No.
I'm going to give that one that I have tonight.
Oh my God, thank you very much. You know. I thought you have experience my time, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So, when you...
May I give one buckle?
Alright.
What am I having there? So how much more you know?
That's $1,000.
Alright. You know, say you have to pay for your trim because Tam Town.
What you say this?
Pay for your trim.
Why have you pay for each?
Alright, now go pay for it.
Yeah. Yes, Barber. I like it cut although I don't see it.
Yeah, remember Illinois Barber Shop in Portmore, in Newland, you know? So,
Yeah.
I want to support him. I don't remember
Yes,
the
my
barber
boss.
shop name, but you go in Portmore, you see my son barber shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. You might have gone for the money, he might talk to you. Oh.
I guess you can't get it.
Yeah, now watch my face now, 'cause I meet him myself, you know, so anytime me ready, I cut my hair myself.
Yeah.
Tape or fade, anything, you know.
Big up the barber, guys. Big up the barber.
Any type of trim you get, right or so.
Yeah.
Clean barber salon, you know.
Tell them your number, Barber.
Yeah, my number is 842 40 40.
Oh, okay.
842 40 42. Remember the area code at 876.
Yeah.
Saying? Alright guys, thanks for watching. But just get a cut. You see me?
Yeah, thank you for watching, you know. And anytime you want to come and Everyting Barber Salon, get a nice haircut, the tape or fade, anything, crystal cut, you know, yeah, up.
Alright. Yes, my general.
But to just get more alcohol or so. Alright guys, so we are continuing on our journey. We're going to stop and get a trim from Michael the Barber, Tham Town, Trelawney. Alright.
Yeah. Clean cut.
Clean cut salon.
Yeah.
Sure, he said something else of it. Something to leave out. No, they say clean cut salon, but I think it's something. So that's the basic school. So welcome to Sanguinetti ETG.
Sweat Hill. Yeah. Morning, morning.
Morning.
Alright.
A lot of farms down here, showing up.
Yeah.
They flat.
Oh God. Watch it out. Somebody must be less eat. I'm a look so.
The boy.
You know, so some eating a going. Maybe they flash tail or something.
Excited.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna make all of this area Sweat Hill. Let's start to rebuild. Like word or something. You can see all the way over the side. I must see Albert Town, you know?
Where?
Over to your left.
Oh. It's not very summer.
Right here, man. Right, yeah. So much, like where I broke down, I'll post broke down. So we now get back now current for now. But
Infrastructure messed up.
so you know, so here's the block too.
From the west.
Yeah, zinc and thing in woodland. Some of the tree are never really strong, you know. Look long as look ahead. You see what I'm going on? Slide down here, so yes, so the block completely. Yeah. Look at that. So guys, we are almost at wire fence. I'm not sure if they call here so wire fence, but we are close to where I know wire fence is. So they have a whole heap of line, whole of the hillside come down.
Surely when it's but I think them have number of days to clear this up.
Yes.
Big.
Push them way.
Yeah, just stop in the road. And all things you have to be inside.
guys, we thank you for staying with us. We thank you for keeping our company throughout the journey.
Where are we now, Martin?
We are at Wire Fence.
Okay. Alright, so this is where we ended.
So we thank you guys for staying with us.
Yeah. And like Martin said, we hope to see you in the next journey.
Yeah.
Which would be from Wire Fence to where, Martin?
From Wire Fence to Lina Parish.
Yes. Alright guys.
Lina Parish in between Manchester and Trelawney on the border.
Yeah. So alright guys, this is where we end the video for today, and until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye bye.
Bye bye guys.